Hello everyone, Trading DNA welcomes you to another new video. I think this topic in the share market needs some extra attention. There are a lot of new investors coming into the market, but more than new investors, there are a lot of myths or commonly known as misconceptions that exist in share market. Out of that, we have picked up 5 top myths in share market that keeps the good investors away from the market. Many people are not actually getting into the stock market because of these common myths spreading across people. The main motive of this video is to clear all the myths and see what is the exact reality in this stock market. So when I read a statistics in a particular article, I saw something shocked, so I decided to make a separate video on this topic. So let's get started. This is the statistics of the percentage of country's population investing in stock market. So USA tops the list. 55% of USA's population are investing in their market. When comparing to India, only 3% of India's population are actually investing in share market. These myths are the major reasons why most of the Indian people are not getting into this share market. So the first myth is investment needs large capital. But the reality is you can start with any amount. There are actually a lot of good companies that trades from rupees 50 and 100 or even for 30-40 rupees. It is not about investing huge capital, but it is where you are investing, how you are investing, which stock you are investing. And the second myth is market is only for rich and experts. But the reality is not true. All you need is a Demat account and that's it. So anyone with this Demat account can invest in stock market. Market is not for particular group of people. It is open to all. So basically anyone with a Demat account and proper knowledge can start investing in market. And this is the most heard myth. Stock market is a gambling. I guess 90% of people might have heard this term. Stock market is a gambling and it is risky. Don't invest in stock market and so on. But the truth is stock market is run by different factors such as technical analysis, fundamental analysis, market structure, company's profile, and there are lot of things based on that only market actually works. And the fun fact is, people who didn't do the proper analysis and research of a company, who blindly invested in stocks and lose their money, will spread this thing. Stock market is a gambling. And myth number 4, you can become a hero or zero overnight. If I say this is the myth, we would be lying to you. But to some extent, there are chances you can become hero or zero overnight, but that is the rarest of rarest things that can happen in the market. No one can become crorepati in a single night. With the proper learning and knowledge, it may take several months to several years to succeed in this journey. And the fifth myth is falling stock will go high. People will say falling stock will go high and also rising stock will come down. That kind of physics doesn't work here. Corrections can happen like consolidation, slider up movement, slider down movement. That kind of corrections can happen. But it doesn't mean that falling stock should rise. There is a common saying in the share market, don't catch a falling knife, which means falling knife here is a stock that is falling. Don't buy the falling stock in the thought of the stock will go up eventually. That can't happen all the time. These are the top 5 common myths that we might came across. So myth number 1, investment needs large capital, but the reality, you can start with any amount. Myth number 2, market is only for rich and experts, but the reality is anyone with the Demat account can start investing. Myth number 3, stock market is gambling, but the reality is market is completely based on fundamental and technical analysis of the stock. Myth number 4, you can become a hero, crorepati or zero overnight, but the reality is nothing can happen overnight. Everything in the market takes some time. Myth number 5, falling stock will go high. Reality is falling stock can go high. Falling stock should not go high all the time. This is also applicable for the rising stock. There are stocks that gained 50 to 100% and stayed over there for a long period of time also. So now what you do is don't forget to comment down the myths that you have heard so far. We will try to add some clarity to those myths. And please make sure to share this video to your fellow friends who are interested to start investing in share market. If you find this video is helpful, please share this video with your friends and consider subscribing to our channel. And we are on Instagram at trading.dna_, where you can find daily educational posts on share market related contents. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care.